Hey guys, I want to make a quick little video about the video that I just uploaded this morning regarding the question that beginning, is the marijuana 420 niche safe? So I just put up this video right here, 5 low competition 420 niches for Merch by Amazon. If you haven't watched it, check it out. But it's been getting a lot of comments saying, hey, be careful with this niche. This niche could get you in trouble, etc., etc. So I just want to address this issue. So what I ended up doing, because I actually started to kind of double guess myself, and I was like, so is this niche safe? And so what I did is I just went ahead and just uploaded a design. So let me just pull that up real quick. I think it's this tab right here. Yeah, so I went ahead and I uploaded this design right here. It's 420 somewhere. This is one of the niches that I recommended in the video. And these are the keywords I used. It's 420 somewhere, weed, moon, alien, marijuana. So you can see I have marijuana in the title and in the word weed in the title as well. This was the brand that I used. It's 420 somewhere. And then for bullet 1 and bullet 2, I just copied and pasted my title. So just very simple keywords, but here you can see that I'm using marijuana and weed, and it is the status is processing. So it has gone through, and it will probably go live in an hour or in a day. You just don't want to use you just don't want to select youth. All right, so you can see right here I was the guinea pig. I went ahead and uploaded a design. I got this design right here from Creative Fabrica, but it looks like this niche is safe. I used the word marijuana and weed. All right, so just to clear up any doubts, because a lot of people were commenting on it, just wanted to make this quick little video. If you have any questions about this more, just put them in the comments. I'll try and do my best to answer them. You just want to make sure that you're not using youth, and just make sure you're not using anything trademarked. One of the reasons why I use low keywords in my niches or in my bullet points, because usually I'll just copy and paste my title and use that as bullet 1 and bullet 2. It's because the more keywords you use, the more you open yourself up to maybe a possible rejection. All right, so that's why I just kind of keep it simple and just use the main keywords that I think people are going to be searching for. All right, and again, if you get a rejection, yes, it could be kind of stressful, and you might think that your account is going to get terminated. But I've had a lot of rejections, and I'm still in the game. I just think they're more kind of sensitive when you're like a brand new, like a tier 10 or like in the lower tiers, and you get a lot of rejections early on, especially for like movies, like Taylor Swift songs, professional sports. Then maybe they'll delete your account. But just one rejection every now and then, I don't think is going to affect you too much. But obviously, you want to take the steps to try and keep your account safe. But I'm kind of going on a little rant here. The point I'm trying to make is that, I uploaded a design with the keyword marijuana and weed, and I didn't select youth, and it is in processing. All right, let me know if you have any questions. See you guys on the next one. Adios.